Hello. The weather stays cold this weekend in the UK, and as a result we will continue to see wintry hazards such as ice, some snow and some freezing fog as well. Here's the cold air. It arrived on northerly winds earlier in the week. It's still with us, and we've also got low pressure in the mix. That low pressure picking up areas of showers and feeding them in to windward coasts. So that means that through Friday and into the start of the weekend, it's northern and western parts of the UK prone to showers. A lot of these showers are falling as rain or sleet at coastal locations, but inland they're falling as snow. And the snow already gathering pace once again across northern Scotland through the weekend. Further build-up expected here. And we're likely to see some snow inland across parts of Northern Ireland, Western England and Wales, where these showers come and go. But even where they're falling as rain and sleet, the main hazard in these areas is ice. Now for southeast Scotland, as the winds change slightly by Saturday and into Sunday, further showers are expected here. And where we don't have the wind, of course, there's the risk of freezing fog patches, both on Saturday morning and Sunday morning, and in some spots that freezing fog could persist into the afternoon. Poor visibility and temperatures staying below freezing through the day. So that's most likely to happen across central and southern parts of the UK, but in other locations further north as well, there's the possibility of those freezing fog patches. But another area that we're watching very closely at this stage is around the southeast of England, because of this area of showers showing up as rain on the coast and over the sea, but it could develop and spin up into a small-scale feature and affect the southeast of England during Sunday and into Monday. I say could because this risk has only started showing up in more recent computer model runs, and not all computer models are suggesting it will happen at all. So there's the small chance of that happening, but if it does, it could bring significant impacts. Now for northern Scotland, well, less uncertainty here because the showers will simply keep going through the weekend, and that yellow warning for snow and ice remains, with the risk of a few centimetres building up inland at lower levels, but 15 centimetres over hills and as much as 30 centimetres in some of the most exposed spots. So of course, transport disruption and icy patches as well to watch out for through the weekend. Ice, the main hazard around these western fringes. Yeah, there'll be some snow inland, especially over the hills, but the main risk, I think, will be some slippery surfaces to look out for on Saturday morning and Sunday morning. Likewise, snow and ice warning for southeast Scotland as the winds change on Saturday and into Sunday. I think around coasts, rain and sleet and some ice around, but inland, a few centimetres of snow, more so over the hills, 5 to 10 centimetres in places, so risk of transport disruption from that. But here's the most uncertain aspect of the forecast. What we're calling this is a very low probability of medium impacts. So there's a chance that this won't happen at all. But if it does, if we get a few centimetres of snow, or if not higher than that, 5 to 10 centimetres possible in some locations, then it would cause medium impacts. So significant disruption, especially to transport. Of course, this is a very populated part of the UK that isn't used to a few centimetres of snow, certainly not in recent winters. So those are the main weather warnings through this weekend, but we'll keep you updated right here at the Met Office so that you can make sure you're prepared if you're heading out travelling, and main advice is to look after yourselves and look after others as well, please.